Here I have FAIRPHONE for 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open Files application, so you can transfer like images, videos, audios, documents, downloads. So let's transfer some images. So for example, from this folder, to select an image, just hold down your finger on it, then tap on three dots here, select if you want to copy it or if you want to move it. So let's copy. Then we go to like SD card, to any folder you like, could be pictures for me, and tap copy. And now you will have this item here on your SD card. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.